Good afternoon, YouTube. Welcome back to Brad's Greenhouse. Today we are going to be talking about what I think is one of the biggest scams in the plant industry. But before we get started, if it's your first time here, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell next to the subscribe so you don't miss anything. And now let's get started on what I think is the biggest scam in the whole plant industry. Collectors, novice, everybody falls for this. I fell for this myself, and funny story was my wife actually fell for it. Not me, but I was a guilty party too because I love the plants. But she bought me 3 plants in the middle of winter as a Valentine's Day present, and they shipped across Canada, and they sold her the styrofoam box and the heat packs and everything else. It cost her over $50 to purchase and ship these plants that ended up being a complete scam. So without further ado, the reason I'm even telling you this now is because I seen them the other day in the store, and it just brought back the memories, and it just kind of pissed me off, and I wanted to let you guys know exactly what this is. So here's what I saw the other day, and it completely blew my mind. They're marketed as Hoyas, as houseplants. So you have a little tiny heart-shaped leaf, and that little heart-shaped leaf actually does grow roots. It is a living leaf, but that is as far as it goes. They have selectively taken the leaf without any kind of node or growth point or any chance. There's not the piece of the plant that it would actually produce new growth is missing. So the leaf will root, but it will never ever grow for you. I actually did a video on this on my wife's plants that she got me for Valentine's Day, and they were beautiful, and like I say, they cost her an absolute fortune, and it is just a scam. I see them from time to time. I see them on plant sales websites, and for somebody to actually sell these plants to somebody knowing they're not going to do anything, they're not going to grow ever, and eventually they will die, they're not going to grow, and to charge people money for these is just sad. And to even, sometimes they're marketed as Valentine's Day Hoyas or heart-shaped Hoyas or stuff like that, but the name of the plant is Hoya carrii, and it is just, yeah, a sad scam. So if you see these plants in a store, I want you to avoid them at all costs and save your money, because it is the biggest scam that I can even think of in the industry. I can't think of anything bigger. A plant that is never going to grow. A plant that is going to linger, survive, and maybe die, like some of the ones in the photo or in the video in the store that I seen the other day. So anyways, take it for what it is. I hope you like this video and this warning. Don't buy those Hoya carrii, the heart-shaped Valentine's Day plant. They're just a scam. So anyways, if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye guys.